this whole event is about bridging all of these stakeholders together. Seems like there's a lot of initiatives that's running around in silos, and we believe like this is a good opportunity for everybody to take that one day, just sit down and start listening, giving that opportunity and try to understand where are the perspectives coming from. And from there, we believe, the moment we start opening our ears, our minds and everything, we'll be able to get a lot of things going on.
And moving ahead, we would like, together with you, we are looking forward to building a sustainable business model for non-plastics community.
It's a great event, and thank you very much for In.Tech Conference for having me here. And it's really a great event that I've seen a lot of people, experts from all over the industries talk about how we can improve the sustainability, how to make our world better. So I think it's a really great gathering.
In.Tech Conference, it's been a great experience this far. Wonderful people in the audience, good mix of people from different backgrounds, industry, because we cannot solve these issues looking only from one angle. We have to have a holistic picture when we start thinking about our role and what we should do.
Plastic will remain no matter whether you like it or not, because the reason why is plastic is a very versatile material that can be used in many applications. The only unfortunate thing is, because of convenience, plastic was made to be very convenient. That created a lot of issues.
I think for them, the easiest way to address this issue is by sustainable design. How to change the design principles to keep the sustainability perspective in mind when they're creating, for example, packaging design, how to use less plastics, how to use more compatible materials which can be decomposed or recycled together.
And hence today we actually share in terms of the circular economy, in terms of sustainability, how exactly the adoption comes in before we introduce what sort of technologies are there to aid in terms of the solutions.
Let's work together hand in hand towards the same direction, how we can improve the sustainability of the plastic and make the whole industry towards more circular economy. So let's work together to move the whole industry towards a more sustainable way.